Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off if you want to keep the map north up on the Waze app. So you want to keep north pointed up on the map screen, or maybe you don't. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust that. So if you just wanted to go whatever direction you're currently driving, you can turn that option off. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon up at the top left and select the settings button. And now you want to go and select map display and then go under where it says keep map north up. You can toggle this on or off depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.